Alright, so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right, today I want to show you how you can make money from your TikTok account even though you don't have followers on your TikTok account. It doesn't matter how many followers you have, you can still make money from your TikTok account. Now I'll be taking you step by step on how you can do this. There are two steps for you to make money on your TikTok account without any followers. You earn in dollar. What you need to do first of all is to log into your TikTok account. Now I've logged into this TikTok account. I'm actually doing this for someone. You go to your profile. Now this is your normal TikTok account. What you need to do here, you tap at the top right hand side, you click on it. It will open like this. Now once it's open like this, what you need to do now, you need to convert this TikTok account now to a business account. So how do you do this? You go to manage account. When you click on your manage account, you see where they say switch to business account. Now you click on it. It's loading. Just allow it to load. If this is your first time seeing my channel, why don't you subscribe and turn on the notification bell? Right on this channel, I only teach how you can make money online at the easiest way. Now what you do, you go next. Now what is your account all about? If you are into entertainment and media, you touch it. If it's a personal blog, you touch it. If you are giving personal services, you touch it. If you are selling real estate or wherever your account is all about, this is where you choose your category. So now, and you go next. So as you can see now, it says welcome to your business account, Destiny World Nation. So what you want to do now, you go to edit profile. Now, so right here now, you're on your dashboard on your TikTok account. So what you want to do now, if you like to add a Gmail, yeah, you can add your Gmail. If you don't feel like adding, you can let it be that way. So once you set your Gmail and whatever you want to set, you go back this. Now this is where we are to connect our TikTok account with. And this is where we start earning from our TikTok account. Now it depends on how many views. What's your capacity? Is it up to 1K views you are getting, or no? You want your money, you want to earn high on it. This is where you adjust whatever you want to earn, how much you want to earn from this very platform. You can earn up to $3,500, or you can earn up to $70. You can earn up to $3.5. So here, location, you choose country. Any country you can select. As you can see, this software accepts all countries. There are so many countries here that you can actually sign up with. So right now I'm doing this video in Nigeria, so I'm going to choose Nigeria. As you can see, my location here now is Nigeria. So I'm going to sign up as a creator. I will sign up now as a creator. Okay, so as you can see, this is a former account, which if it shows like this, you need to switch, and if it didn't show like this, definitely you need to sign up. So I'll just click on switch and I'll click on continue. It's going to ask me to log into my TikTok account, which I'll be doing. Yeah, it's loading actually. It's loading. It's going to ask me to log into my TikTok account. So guys, as you can see now, it's open. Now it's asking me, do I want to sign up with a Gmail or a phone number? If I want to log in, I can connect my Facebook account, Google account, Twitter account, my Apple account or Instagram account. But since I already have my TikTok account, I'll just sign up I'll just log in with the phone number of that very account I told you about. If this is your first time seeing this channel, why not subscribe, turn on the notification icon. Right on this channel, I only teach how you can make money online at the easiest way. The next thing for you to do now is to log in. Still loading. The next thing for you to do now is to log in. Now, as you can see, it's loading. Now this is another thing here. You need to set up this Prezi. There are different times. At times it doesn't come out this way, but right now it is showing this way. You set it up, and this is how it goes. You let it be, and it will verify itself. As you can see, verification complete. Now it's going to log me in, and it's demanding for my password. I have just 60 seconds to put in my password. I'll just click on login. As you can see right now, I'm logging into this platform. So it's going to ask me to verify this authentication. Now if it comes like this, what it simply means here is for you to type two objects that are same in shape. So right here now, what we have here, we have different objects right here that are same in shape. So I'll just pick is this one, no sorry, is H and H, and confirm it. Allow it to load. It's complete, so it's going to log me in automatic. Login success. So right now I've logged into this account right now. As you can see now, I've logged in into this account. Now once you log in, is for you to link your site now to this. So the next thing you want to do here now is to authorize this platform to have access to your TikTok account, which you authorize it and it will go. If you want to get the name of this platform, go to the description of this video. There is a link I'll be dropping there which will direct you to it. So right now, as you can see, it says great. Now you can start earning. Step 1, you select and apply to inbox sponsorship campaign. Step 2, record a video with sponsorship sound based on instruction. Step 3, start earning money from each views. So this is how this thing works. Automatically you earn video. So what you go now, you click on start recording. As you can see, right, this video, what they want to pay on this video now is 0.73 cents. 0.73 cents. It's not up to $1. Now you just accept. Now when you accept, it's going to ask you to verify your Gmail and phone number. So the next thing you want to do is to click on verify Gmail and phone number. Then you come here, you put your name. So right now, right here you put your name here. I'm just going to put simple name. Then use your date of birth right here, which is going to be 1994. The year we make it 10 1994. So you choose your gender is male, the country Nigeria. Then I advise you click everything here so you don't miss out. So right now, the next thing you want to do right here, so anything that your niche is all about, you type it here. Then you click on send link, which they will be sending to you for verification. Now once you've done this, you save the changes. Then you go to your Gmail to verify your account. Gmail, and locate what they sent you, and you verify your account so you can start earning. You click here and just verify it. Okay, continue. To ask you to authorize it again. So as you can see, this is my former account, so I'll just click on switch, continue, because I want to switch now. I'll just save it. So right now you authorize it again. And allow it to load up. I verify the account. Now I can now start earning from it. So right now, as you can see, the money of today is 00. So whenever you got you can be checking this every day. They will be dropping a message here. All you need to do is to accept and you now work on it. So if you want to know how to do this one, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me up. So I'll be dropping a video. My next video which I'll be dropping is going to be on how you can actually perform tasks on this and get paid, how you can accept the challenge and get paid, and how you can earn the views very fast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up to this video, so subscribe to this channel and share it if you enjoyed this video.